Hey guys, Neil here. So in this video, this is the second part and I'm going to show you what is my income statement. In my last video I have shooted was on July. So after July, how much I have made. So so this is Wise account. You can see this is the Wise account I use for international transaction, and second option I do is directly take money on the bank account for one of my one of my major client, which I continuously do the work. Rest apart from this client, I take other clients money randomly on directly on bank account directly. But there is one my first client. Here I take his payment from him directly on Wise account. So I'm going to show you here how I have made after July from my last video. So this is the Wise account you can also use if you are doing the freelancing. So here is the December, November, October, September, August and June. Sorry. So from July, this is the July I have recorded the last video. So as you can see, this is August, September, October, November and December. So this is one of my first client bank statement, and I'm going to show you. I have to do the forgot password and all, so it took some time, but here you can see this is the paybooks account I have, which my company used to give me, last company. So as you can see, 2025 to 2026 I haven't worked, and March. Okay, so yeah, this is the March, which financial year ends in March. So as you can see, in March, this is the first month, March 2024, and then April, May, June, July, August. So 6 months I have worked in last company. As you can see, my income as well, 24,903 rupees, 25,200, 27,801. As you can see, all my income here, which I used to make on my job, which I did a year ago in 2024. And I have already shown my income of my freelancing in my Wise account, and some of the client I take income like payment directly in bank account. So I have recorded both videos. It's just now I have to do some editings and all, then I will post everything in that video and this video as well. So this is the second part, as I already mentioned. So as you can see in the video, like on the last year where I was doing the job, in last 6 months I done the job in my last job. I just worked there in that company only for 6 months, and you can see the income I made from that job and the income of this year in last 6 months from the last video from July to this time. So there is such a big difference you can notice. So for there are so many things I want to say in this video, but first I have to think that we think that topics first and kind of make it so easy for you to understand. So it will take some time, but I will also post that video soon enough. But here you can see everything, my income statement of my last job which I did a year ago, and my income statement from July to this time December, which can help you understand how much someone can make within a year. And few more things I wanted to say. During this time I haven't read any book, zero books I have read it. And some people say you have to read books to make money. Yeah, of course you have to read books, but to make money you have to take action. So I haven't read any book in last 6 months. So some people say wake up 4 a.m. and start working this and that, and wake up at 2 a.m. and to start working, wake up at 6 a.m. It doesn't matter. So until unless you are falling into the time zones of, let's suppose your clients are from America, USA, so you have to work according to that client. If your clients are from Australia, you have to work according to the Australian time zone. If your clients are from UK, you have to work according to the UK time zone. So it just depends on the time zone to time zone where you are providing your uh, skills, service, or whatever you are serving to your client. So it just depends. But rest other thing, people are saying you have to wake up this time, you have to follow this daily routine, you have to go to gym, this and that. I'm not even going to gym. Yeah, of course you can see acne on my face, so I actually don't even care about my body as of now. So my first priority is to make more money, so I'm focusing on making more money as of now. Until unless I will recover everything, let's suppose this body, face, and everything you are watching as of now, it can be recovered. If you have money, good amount of money, everything can be recovered. But first you have to focus on making more money. Reading books and everything, yeah, it helps, perhaps it helps, but not every time. So you have to take action. And the other thing, I'm not going to say what I'm doing. Everything I'm doing is legit, so there is nothing illegal I'm doing. I'm not doing any scams or anything. I'm providing the service, and I'm taking money for providing that service. And how many, I have plenty of clients, good clients, they are paying me very well compared to the job I was doing for the company. Compared to that, I'm doing very good. But you have to do business to make more money, and you have to learn the skills first and give. Once you have the skills, then you can give that, sharp that skill and help someone else to make more money. Let's suppose you have sales skills, then you can help your client to generate more sale. You can give them a sale, they can close the thing, they can pay you the money. So something like that. Some easy work doesn't give you more money, simple as that. Let's suppose someone is saying copywriting, this and that. AI is there now. AI, chat GPT, everything is there. So if you think you can do easy work and make more money, it's not going to happen. To, if you want to make serious money, you have to do the serious work, or you have to get serious level skills, which you have to get, else no one is going to pay you a lot of money. Rest everything depends on you. So this is all for this video. So let's see you soon. And the last I wanted to end, I'm not going to tell you what I'm doing. Yes, I'm not going to say. I will say in next video. I think I will. I'm not sure, I can't promise anything. But it's just you have to take action first. Get the skill, sharp the skill, be confident, and start your own thing.